Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will be discussing the new version of ASP.NET, and that is the ASP.NET Core. So normally in the interview questions for freshers or those who have recently learned or they have started learning ASP.NET Core, so it is very important that you should know what all the limitations of ASP.NET, and then what all things that are improved in ASP.NET Core. So we will be discussing some couple of questions that are being asked for ASP.NET Core, and again these are all tricky questions. So just doing the code and implementing the code will not work. You need to have a basic understanding what is the basic things that are being solved in ASP.NET Core. So the first question normally is like, what is the difference? Because again, earlier it was ASP.NET and now it is ASP.NET Core. So there are a number of things that has been improved. So first of all, the main concept of core was whether it is .NET Core, whether it is ASP.NET Core. The main concept was that it should be cross-platform, because before that it was again native to Microsoft. If it is in terms of server, IIS was being used, and again it was so basically it is cross-platform and provide ability to develop, run on Windows, Linux, and Mac. Second important thing is like, again, it is open source. So just like Java and other platforms, it is open source. Unified platform to develop web, UI, and API. So if you are using ASP.NET Core, so you can develop web applications, APIs. Then the most important point is the dependency injection, where we use the inversion of control. So it's a design pattern. So make it like a loosely coupled solution, so that whenever we are making any change in one class, it is not going to affect any other. So it is based upon dependency injection, cloud enabled framework, and the important thing is it's very lightweight, and it is able. So if you talk about ASP.NET Core, now it is able to support multiple servers. Earlier it was limited to IIS. Now we have IIS. We have inbuilt Kestrel. Again, it's the lightweight version of server. Then it can work on Nginx. You know that Nginx is on Unix, Linux. Then we have Docker, Apache. So all those versatility part was missing. So those all things are added in core. Then well-suited architecture for testability. So these are the important things that you need to remember whenever you are going for an interview, and basic things like what is the requirement, why ASP.NET Core was developed. So these were the things that were missing, and because of that, like this ASP.NET Core was implemented. Then dependency injection is a very important thing. It's a design pattern that is used as a technique to achieve inversion of control between classes and the dependencies. So ASP.NET Core, it comes built-in support for dependency injection, and that makes it very fast and again scalable as compared to ASP.NET, because again it is implemented out of the box in ASP.NET Core. Then the normal question that is asked is, what is the difference between app.run and app.use? So app.use method, basically it's a middleware, and if you want to perform a series of action, so it works as an application request pipeline when you want to pass the context to the next middleware. So again, if a particular request needs to go to the multiple requests, so you can use this app.use. Then we have app.run method, adds a terminal middleware to the application request pipeline. So basically these are the basic questions that are being asked, and the main thing is like you should understand the difference between ASP.NET application and ASP.NET Core, and all the benefits that are provided by ASP.NET Core. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.